In this, we will discuss protected cultivation of Dendrobium orchid. Scientific name Dendrobium species, family Orchidaceae, chromosome number 38, XS19. Origin place tropical countries like India and Sri Lanka. It is grown in high-tech greenhouses, or we called it orchidarium. As you can see in this polyhouse, how they are grown under protected cultivation. Temperature, day temperature is required 15.5 to 21 degrees Celsius, whereas night temperature is 10 to 15.5 degrees Celsius. Light intensity should be 2400 to 3600 feet candles, and relative humidity should be between 40 to 75%, whereas carbon dioxide concentration should be 2000 to 2300 ppm for better growth and development. Container. Some of the most suitable container used are pots, basket, wooden logs, tree ferns, coconut husk. Clay pots are generally used for orchids. The pot size may vary from thumb size to 20-inch pots. These are the tray where orchids are initially being propagated. Growing media. Most common potting mixture consists of charcoal, broken pieces of bricks and tiles, coconut husk and fiber. These are the growing medias. First, we go for sterilization of media. For sterilization, we use methyl bromide at the rate 25 to 30 gram per square meter, formalin at the rate 3 to 7%, Bismuth, that is Desomet, at the rate 30 to 40 gram per square meter per bed. Different varieties: Mame, Popdor, Mame Whipper, Hing Beauty Sonia 17, Sonia 18, Kasim Gold, Sabine Red, Snow White. These are the Dendrobium orchids of various colors. Propagation. Conventionally, Dendrobium is propagated through division, offshoot and back bulbs. Micropropagation by tissue culture. This picture depicts the tissue culture of Dendrobium orchid. Planting density is 100 to 150 plants per meter square. Nutrition. Orchids growing in nature do not need much of manuring, but those grown in the orchidariums need spraying in the liquid forms. Fertilizer should be dilute. The plants will burn by over-fertilizer, which can be seen as burnt leaf tips. One of the liquid spray which give healthy growth is the Ophio spray. Composition of Ophio solution made up for 4.5 liter of water, potassium nitrate 2.63 gram, ammonium sulfate 0.44 gram, magnesium sulfate 2.04 gram, monocalcium phosphate 1 gram, calcium sulfate 4.86 gram, iron sulfate 0.50 gram, manganese sulfate 0.25 ml. Irrigation. Good quality water is very important requirement to grow orchids successfully. Mist or fogging system is being used in orchids. pH of water is 5.5. Watering needs depend on the potting media and the growing condition. A potting media should never be wet but just evenly moist. Cultural operation. First one is repotting. Repotting times do not vary very much but usually be at the beginning of the active growing season, or at least when the new roots appear. Repotting done every alternate year in Dendrobium. And this you can see how extra growth of roots have been occur, and for this we have to do repotting. Plant protection. Different pests like aphids, mealybugs, scales and slugs and snails, spider mites, etc. infect the Dendrobium. For their control, we can use a systemic insecticide like imidacloprid disease, black rot, leaf spot, petal blight, yellowing. For its control, we can use DM45 Ridomil to control fungus, and for bacteria, we can use streptocycline. Harvesting stage. Fully developed flowers of good quality are harvested. Yield depends upon variety to variety. Post-harvest handling. First is grading. There are no standard grades for Dendrobium flowers, and their prices are fixed according to the size. Grading is done mainly on the length of the flower spike. Flower number is size and arrangement of flowers on the spike. Sometimes the number of lateral branches on the inflorescence is also taken into the consideration. Storage. If these are to be cut, they should be stored at 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. This temperature, most dendrobium flowers can be stored for 10 to 14 days. Plastic film storage is attractive and can be utilized. Packaging. An ideal package should be airtight, waterproof, strong enough to withstand the handling, and small in volume. Standard florist boxes are used for the packing of Cattleya flowers. Keeping of a wet cotton at the end of the flower stem, which is wrapped with a polythene wrapper, helps to maintain humidity. This was all about Dendrobium.